Hi everyone, this is Anna from Koala Soap, and I'm in my making all my Christmas stuff riff right now. So I just made this. This is for one of my daughter's friends, and that's spackle on top. It needs to be finished, but my husband, who knows I love gingerbread, got me this, and this is from Home Goods, I believe. And I love the colors, and I just love gingerbread. So I thought I'm going to try and make a soap with these colors in it. I'm going to do the best I can because, as you know, red is hard to do, but we're going to try it. So we are going to be doing 4 ounces of shea butter melt and pour, 4 ounces of shea butter melt and pour, 4 ounces of clear melt and pour, and another 4 of clear melt and pour. I'm going to be using this color from Stardust Micas, which is called Red Strawberry. To me, it still looks a little pink, but we're just going to do the best we can. And then we have a yellow to match those colors. The green, because this is tail green, this gets a little dark, which is great. However, with these colors, I think I have to do, I'm probably going to do it, actually, you know what, I'm going to do it in with glycerin so it stays dark. The brown, obviously, cannot be put in glycerin because it'll be too dark. So I'm going to mix that in the opaque. My biggest fear right now is I'm going to forget which I'm going to do in which soap. So I'm probably going to do this for now to try to remind me. I have my alcohols here. I'm going to do a fragrance. I only have a little bit of energy left in here. I just want to use it up. So I have so many fragrances. I just want to use that up because I have another one that I used to. So we're going to go ahead and melt this down. I am going to wait, as we saw, we're going to drizzle, and if it doesn't mix in, I'm going to keep pouring. The glycerin will cool down faster than the shea butter. We know that from prior videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all in the microwave. I'm going to put my scent in once it's under 140-ish. Mix the micas, and then you'll just kind of see me making the soap. Okay, so with that, let's get going. Melted. I'm just kind of curious where they're at. Okay, so these are in the 140s. These took a little bit longer to melt than usual. Actually, I feel a lump in here, so sometimes if you continue to stir, you can actually stir that out. But I do feel a little piece of this is unmelted. So this is at 151, so it'll melt if I keep stirring it. If not, I'll just go ahead and zap it back in the microwave. Just a little, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I had all these in the right order. So we're going to take our brown and we're going to mix it in. We're going for a light brown here. Okay, we'll put that off to the side so I don't mess this up because I have a feeling I just might do that. Okay. There we go. Oops. So I'm going for a light brown. I'm going for almost a creamy brown. This is a little too dark. So you can see that. Well, again, I think we'll be okay with that. Let's do, I don't know that we're going to get a good brown without me putting it into the glycerin, and then it's just going to be really dark. It'll be coffee colored. So I don't know. We'll look at that later. Okay, so let's go ahead and try our green. We want our green just a little bit lighter than what's in here. Okay. I'm okay with all these colors except for this. And I'm wondering if I can add some gold mica to it. Or I probably should have done gold mica to start. Let me think about this. I'll be right back. Okay, I have these two. And I'm trying to figure out which would... I guess I'll do... Well, I guess I'll do... I'm going to do a combination of both of them. How's that? And I'm going to put it into this shea butter here because I still don't want it too dark. So let's see what happens. Honestly, don't know what's going to happen. I just know that that brown did not look... I didn't want it in the soap. So let's kind of see. Yeah, we'll try this one. I think this is called burnt something or other. We'll see how that looks. And then we'll add some gold if we need to. We'll see if this works. Yeah, there you go. I wonder if we should add a little bit of gold to it. I've never mixed micas like this before, so this is something a little different. I don't know, we'll see if it works. I just did not like that brown. We're close. Going to go ahead and let this set. This was the only one that was still warm enough to pour. There's a couple air bubbles in there, but I'm not going to squirt it with alcohol because I'm going to come in and squish it up anyway. I'm going to wait for these to settle a bit more. I'm going to make sure they're skins. I'll put it on top. Then I'll start the video again with the gloves on and I'll start mashing it up and we'll go to step 2. Okay, I forgot to hit record, but I did go ahead and pour all of it in. It looks like it went right to the top. So we're going to let this set. And okay, it's unmolded, so our goal is to look like this. I think we did okay, so let's kind of see. It's my ice maker in the background, sorry. Okay. Oops. The problem with the higher tops is it's harder for me to get it into the slots. But it's okay. Oh, there you go. nice. So the red did pretty good. This is going to be a little harder for me to get because the top right here is so high. See? The yellow actually popped out. I didn't think the yellow was going to show against the brown there, so that's pretty good. So this is our gingerbread soap. Okay. And there it is. Okay, so that's our gingerbread soap. Let me move this. Let's see. Did we come close? I think we did. All right, good. So I used red strawberry. I used King Midas Gold Burnt something orange. Yellow lemon brown, which we didn't use, and tail green. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is Anna from Koala Soap, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.